This is Craig, Star Trek 47, and Assistant Tarin. We're in New Orleans. It's very haunted here. We might find something spooky to look at. I don't know yet. We're gonna go see a haunted cemetery, a haunted bar, and maybe this haunted building. Anyway, Merry Christmas. Everybody have a happy and festive Mardi Gras.
Oh, yes.
We'll check back in after this guy quits honking. Look at that building.
Yes.
I'm gonna get a shot at it from the corner here.
Beautiful.
That one's gotta be haunted. I bet that room right there is haunted.
The wolf. What are you doing? Come on.
Now, it's time for hurricane. Because it's hurricane season.
Yes.
How's it taste? Satisfactory? A little bit of cough syrup flavor. Not sure what was in it exactly. Now back out onto the street.
Alright. Here we go.
Bourbon Street, where we're drinking bourbon. I don't know what's in a hurricane. Do you know what's in a hurricane?
Not right off the top of my head now.
Something.
Maria Lamo's.
Oh, hey. All right, here we are. First stop of the night. Now that we're getting properly hurricaned, now we're gonna go do voodoo.
Tastes like ass.
Tastes like wet ass. Okay, this is Craig, and this is Tarin. And we're going into Lafitte's Blacksmith shop because it's fucking haunted. You heard that right. It's fucking haunted. In fact, I don't know about that. We're gonna find out though. Let's go have a look. Tell me all about it. There it is. It's a fireplace and it's haunted. You can tell because there's fire in it. Tarin just went into the women's room. We're now in the back of Lafitte's Blacksmith shop, where everything is haunted. It's super haunted, it's super dark, it's super scary. I don't know, can you see me? I can see me, but I'm looking for me. I don't know if you are. This is the most haunted, and it's actually the oldest bar in the U.S. You can tell because they got these old lights, with gas lamps. Lafitte's Blacksmith shop. Super haunted. Currently by a bunch of drunk people. What's your name? Where are you from?
Philadelphia.
Philadelphia. This is, what's your name?
Carol.
This is Carol from Philly. This is Star Trek 47 from Denver, and we're all here at Lafitte's because we're going to get drunk and see ghosts, right?
Absolutely.
Right on. Woo! Awesome. Carry on. Carry on. And this is our table. I just found a whole table for us. This is Star Trek 47, and this is Tarin. And we now have a table in the corner of the haunted blacksmith shop, Lafitte's Blacksmith shop. This is the oldest bar in the U.S., and we're technically here. Can you see us? Yeah, you can, right? We're there. We look like ghosts. Did you notice?
Maybe I am. You mean you can see me?
Where did you come from?
Oh, no.
What magic is this? We just went to
It's the voodoo.
was it Marie Laveau's zombie shop, and we picked up some interesting items. We got some secret special spooky powder. I don't know what. It has a staple in it. That just poked me. I got some incense, and we got Where's my magic?
I don't know, but I need a strong drink.
Oh yeah. Where's the waitress? Is she here? Waitress!
I don't know.
And we got magic voodoo bags.
I think you guys
Alright, so
probably go up to
okay, I'm gonna go get drinks, and you wanted an arrow sour. I'm gonna go with something made of beer. So that's awesome.
He said something made a beer.
New Orleans. Okay, so I'll be back momentarily.
By the way.
So we're both here in Lafitte's Blacksmith shop, the oldest bar in the United States. We're drinking good. We're looking for ghosts. Believe it or not, we are doing that. You can see them in all the dark corners of the bar, but you know, you never know which corner Lafitte is actually going to show up in. So we're looking around as we sit here imbibing. Tarin's going to go have a cigarette, and I'm going to sit here looking for ghosts.
I know, it's
Bon voyage. We just scored the coolest table. It has a trick step by now. I felt like I was going to fall through the floor. That's how you get shanghaied, by the way. Fall through a false floor. And that's exactly how this step feels, right here under this table. So we got this table right here. I don't know if you can see it. So you kind of, you know, there's my beer. There's some lights. And that's the door. Tarin's out there having a cig on the veranda. There's some folks sitting over there. Some gals over here. They're all getting drunk. Everybody's having a good time. So we're in New Orleans. We're going to go to the cemetery shortly and see what we can find there. It might be haunted.
I love how
We were just at Marie Laveau's. As I showed you in my bag, we got lots of cool stuff, including from amber oil, which is really nice. What else are we going to do tonight? Oh, we're going to the cemetery tonight. We're going to collect some graveyard dirt. And yes, we will pay the price. Don't worry about that. We got that covered. What day is it? Tomorrow we are doing a ghost tour and a vampire tour. So we're going to go visit the vampires tomorrow. I don't know how that's going to go yet. We might have to drink blood. You know, when you're in New Orleans, you're in New Orleans. What are you going to do? Okay, so the video that we planned on doing in New Orleans didn't quite get much further than this. Mostly because we ran into some difficulties getting in some of the places that we wanted to go see. We had some other problems that kind of arose along the way. Arose. Anyhow, we are planning another trip back to New Orleans to finish up what we started. This is just kind of a fun little taste for now, just a quick way to check it out and see what we were up to. All the way out in New Orleans, just before Mardi Gras. And, you know, there was Mardi Gras.